I do enjoy riding through the Appalachian Mountains of the southeast U.S. Just taking unfamiliar roads and exploring and sightseeing. I've passed these tiny cabins several times and stopped to take a closer look today. I found something funny and maybe embarrassing in the last cabin. Funny human nature stuff. Somebody's old stash, if you know what I mean. This is the first of the three little cabins. Look at this old fridge. That is retro cool. I would love to have a modern fridge that looked like this. What do you think? I wonder what it would take to get this old thing running again. Wow. This is pretty interesting. Very basic, kind of primitive. Old furnace. Like the House of Skulltula. Some of you might know that reference. Old shower. Yeah, this is definitely very basic necessities. I guess back in the day, here in the mountains, they were luxuries. With a broom and some paint, this little place could definitely come back to life. Imagine what it could be. I would definitely sit out here on summer afternoons. Here's the second one. That old bed has seen better days. I know where they can get a nice new one. A bird nest up in the corner. A cabin within a cabin. Wow again. Another one that could really be turned into something nice with a little work and care. Another really primitive shower. Reminds me of the ones at the public swimming pool. Another old furnace. Looks like these were propane. These are pretty nasty. And this is the last cabin. It's pretty interesting inside. I have a few questions. I bet you will too when you see what's inside. You can see what I'm talking about already. Somebody's been living here, but not recently. Look how old the computer is. An unopened Coke bottle still sitting on the desk. Well, okay then. A little embarrassing. When I was a teenager, one of my really good friends' mom found his stash of dirty mags. And she made a huge spectacle of it. A cleansing. She made him take them all out in the yard, pile them up, and burn them in a huge ceremony. So obviously this guy's in a huge amount of trouble with these DVDs. Of course, I have to get a picture to text to my brothers. Dark chocolate. I won't say the last word. It starts with a W, though. Clothes still hanging in the closet. Always weird to see. So, what did you think of these old cabins? Could you fix them up? Would you live in one? We'll see you soon.